It is a key ingredient in so many dishes. So you get the point. I'm talking about chilies. Welcome to Live Following Nature. I'm Sandhya. In this video, I'm going to share my experience of storing the chilies. We live in small town in Germany. There we don't have any Indian supermarket nearby. We get almost everything available in German supermarkets except chilies. At the beginning days, we buy the chilies from Indian store and store them in a airtight container in a refrigerator. Within a few days, it gets spoiled. But I don't like to go again and again only for the chilies. After this struggle, I got a recipe from our elders on how to store chilies for longer time. I'm going to share the same here. Remove the stems, clean the chilies in fresh water and dry them completely. Now I am going to make them as a fine paste. Before making the paste, chili should be completely dry. The proportions are 1 portion of salt to 4 portions of chilies. Here I am taking crystal salt, 1 portion of salt to 4 portions of chilies. Blend it as a fine paste and store it in a refrigerator, preferably in a plastic or glass container. You can use this paste in your curry, but don't forget about the salt proportions, because in this recipe we used lots of salt, so in your curry you need to reduce the salt. When it is fresh, it looks in light green color. After 2 months it turns to dark green. You can enjoy this in all your curries. Thanks for watching. See you again in another video of Live Following Nature. Bye bye.